People, he don't read though. They say that the Fulani herdsmen now don't tell person we give farm. Say if in talk for their farm, where their cow they chop, he say go comot the person. In fact, he go buy the person for inside that place. Things are happening. As that one they happen, they say that the Nigeria Army, Anonana Ajunwa also, that be say they don't bagger, they don't run for inside Plateau. As the people don't accuse them, say be like say that they work with the territory where they go buy people for inside that area. Things they happen. Let's go and find out how all these things they happen. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful news info, please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video. I'm going to go straight ahead to show you the videos, may you know what thing they happen for inside the matter.
Kai, why you wanna carry this cow come to enter my farm like this? Eh? You know, see, okay, see this. You know, say I am we plant here. Eh? See the leg. Now I am there inside here. Kai haba, zomana. Eh? Okay, this leaf. See. This is a vegetable. Eh? Why you wanna carry the worker here? Hey. You dey crazy? Call your brother. Call that your brother. Hey, this is what I do. How you breathe on an eye? Eh? Look at it. No the leaf. No go go in na kulaga. Ne je kulaga ke fi na atasi. Eh? Ma this in Calafia. My potato. So you, I dey call you, they run. So you know we say sorry. Why I know will snap you? Eh? So you know we say sorry. Why you go carry my?
Why you go snap me now like this?
Eh?
Why they snap
so
me?
So you know we say sorry.
So I say sorry. Why you go snap me now?
I hear I say it. But your brother.
So why you go snap me? I know that can now.
You know me.
If I don't know you,
you don't know me for that place. Eh?
Why did snap me like this now? I go run for you. No. Come on, back. If you snap me like this, I go. Come on, back. I won't give you the phone. I got to cut you like this. Thunder fire you. Come on, back. I'm not going to give you my phone. I don't give you. I got to cut you. Yes, now. Thunder fire your mother. Thunder fire your mother. I'm not going to give you. Come on, back. What is it happening? The family. Mind yourself, mind yourself. Thunder fire yourself. Never keep cut your left. Thunder fire your mother. What is happening now? What is happening? You don't know me. Yeah? You don't know me. What is it? Mind yourself, mind yourself.
You say sorry. So you don't go say sorry.
Thunder fire your mother.
So you don't go say sorry for me.
One day I got take kill for this number. Thunder fire your mother. I don't give you the phone. This is why I go do. Go and do it. Me I go kill you now. The case. It's a case.
You see wetin Fulani dey tell person wey get farm, in own farm o, wetin they tell am for inside that area. Then I'm going to also play you this video, may you know wetin dey happen for inside Plateau. As they don't tell them, say may they move, because if like say na them, they carry these people, they come inside their land.
Soldier must go. We no go green. 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 Soldier must go.
my wonderful people, that the same issue where we dey talk and the same people they face for inside that Plateau side, because a lot of people don't buy for that side because of these Fulani herdsmen and all those ones where they call Boku and in own brothers. They don't buy many people for inside this area. Wetin our government they do? This thing will happen now. If we be say another person do Fulani like this, you know, carry their phone or carry their car, people go come outside come talk, oh, they are killing their cow. Why are you bringing your cow to people's farm? Why don't you leave it in the north? When people want, then you shift it to your sell point, they will come there and buy. However, it don't be, let's say it don't be. Share this video for more updates.